and going, oh, this is so much fun, that are like horrible to watch. They are not fun to watch. And this video is so much better than all of those, and I don't understand why. Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm Morgan from the very unofficial travel guides. If you didn't know that, now you do. And on this next edition of Sunday Sofatime, we're going to talk about basically my failures. Yes, welcome back everybody. If you were here last Sunday, you know that I talked about my 10 most popular videos, the 10 videos that I've posted on the very unofficial travel guides that have helped the most people, that the most people have watched or shared or liked or whatever. I feel like those are my, like, you know, if I was a recording artist, like a musician, like those would be my hits, like my top 10 hits. But of course, for every 10 most successful videos, I also have the 10 least successful videos, the videos that for whatever reason just nobody was interested in watching. And I figured because we talked about the other 10 last week, then why not talk about these 10 this week? Seems logical, right? So, just like last week, I'm gonna start with the 10th least popular and then go down to the video on the very unofficial travel guides of mine that has gotten the least amount of clicks, likes, and comments. Yeah, I don't know, just sort of relive and talk about what they all are. And it starts with the 10th least popular video is a video called Disneyland Storybook Canal Boat Tour. This is, it's a ride at Disneyland. It's one of like the almost original rides. So this was built at a time where Walt Disney was still alive, was still working on the park. I feel like that's something that makes it really special. And it only has 428 views, 0 comments, and 1 thumbs up. No thumbs down at least, so that's nice. Yeah, I don't know why that's so unpopular. I posted it, I don't know, can I see here on here how many years ago? With the YouTube app, you can't really see when a video was posted. Oh well, I like this ride. I can't say that I've watched the video in the last few years, but yeah, that's that. All right. The next, the 9th least popular video on the very unofficial travel guides is, it says here, giveaway 4. So, yeah, I guess I've done a couple giveaways. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway, and I can tell you why that is. It's because, well, it's not because I don't have stuff to give away, because I have a lot of really interesting stuff that I would love to give away. Stuff that I know, I am not using anymore, or, things that I don't necessarily need more of. And I know that a lot of people would be happy to get it. But the thing is, because I live in Germany and most of you live in other countries, it's really expensive to send the stuff over there. Like I have, like books that I got from cruise ships, about when I was on one of the first sailings of the Harmony of the Seas. I got this big, thick book about the ship. It's an interesting thing to have, but I would love to give it to somebody else who would be more interested in having it, but I know it's going to cost me like 20 euros to send it someplace, and I just figure, I probably won't do it, but maybe I should. Do you guys think I should do more giveaways even if it costs me money? All right, I wonder what I was giving away. Oh, it says here I was giving away a Royal Caribbean visor. I guess not a lot of people were interested in that because it only has 376 views, 13 comments, 9 thumbs up, and no thumbs down. The 3 most recent comments, one is from TK IROCZ 1986. How do us folks without Facebook become eligible to win? Just asking since I don't have Facebook and don't plan to anytime soon. Well, it's way too late for me to answer that question, so I'm not going to. Gaming Smug says, hey, I know I reply to loads of your videos and you're probably sick of it, but can I ask? I'm going away next week and I'll be on Royal Caribbean Cruise over Halloween. Do you think they do any Halloween parties or if anything special happens? Well, Gaming Smug, also, this was 4 years ago, and there's no point in answering now, but they do usually do Halloween stuff when you're on board. And Lori Rosen, who I haven't heard from in a while, Lori, are you out there? Say hi. Says, we'll definitely join the chat depending on the time change and if I'm working. I love talking cruising. So, I don't know, I must have been doing a live chat at that time too, but like I said, guess just not a lot of people were interested in that. All right, the next one is also a contest. See, this is another thing that makes me feel like I probably just shouldn't do more contests. It just seems like people are not really interested in them. And that was for a Bago bag. This company called Bago Bag that has like this packing system with cubes and bags that all sort of fit together. They contacted me and sent me 2 free sets of this stuff. And I still have one of them, and I ended up giving the other one away. But yeah, this video has 374 views, 6 comments, 12 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down. And in fact, I remember who won that bag. It was Katie. The comments on there, one of them is from Bradley Kirkham, and Bradley, I know you're still out there. Hey Morgan, it might be cheaper for you to buy her one from Amazon and have it shipped to her. It would also give her the option of picking the color. True. Vivian Marshall writes, darn, because she didn't win, I guess. And Nismo writes, darn, haha, there's always next time. Yeah, if people would participate, I guess. But, you know, some of my videos get like 10, 20,000 views in the first month, and this one hasn't even gotten 374 views in 4 years. So that just kind of tells me that giveaways don't really work on my channel. You know what I mean? Okay, the next one is something that I'm interested in, and I think I'm gonna watch it right now because I can't remember exactly what it was I did. It is the Very Unofficial Travel Guides mashup. So here is me reacting to that video, and you can sort of find it, and I'll link it in the description below, and you can watch it with me now and see what it is.
Welcome here to Lissenburg in Austria, and today I'm exploring the lost city of Pompeii.
Young
Outside of
Morgan.
Paris, it's basically the holiest city on the planet. Disney World. Okay, we're on our way back to the ship now. After we were at the ruins of Ephesus with major importance for Epcot, and a lot of people think that that ball behind me is this temple that they built thousands of years ago.
I see what I did now.
The newest addition to the thrill
I
rides
don't
at Universal
remember a
Studios,
lot of making this. It's 7
Caribbean
years ago I
behind the
made this.
scenes. It's not necessarily fast. It's so cool to see all these different stands selling Halloween Horror Nights. Alternative outfits in Greece out here on Disney Dream. Walking
So
around
what I
the
did
resort,
is I took a bunch of clips from older videos that I had posted, and I mixed them all together so it sounded like it's like one gigantic sentence. And it's making me laugh right now because I forgot about all the things I did. I won't watch the whole thing now, but I can recommend that you go watch it. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I'm sure you'll get a kick out of it too. And, you know, I hope it doesn't sound stuck up that I'm laughing at my own video. I just forgot what I had done there. But yeah, unfortunately, 373 views, 3 comments, 9 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down. What did people say about it? Big CP writes, very funny, keep posting your vacations so I can copy you. Fares writes, nice job, Morgan. And Trollicle4 writes, great video, seems like you've been everywhere. All right, moving on. This is another one that, yeah, I think is a good video. And here's something that I don't understand. This is another like theme park video. It's of the enchanted fireworks at Disneyland Paris, and these fireworks don't exist anymore. They've replaced it with another show. And I brought my like fancy expensive camera to get a really good recording of this. And yeah, there's just not a lot of people watching it. 367 views, 0 comments, 3 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down. And the thing that surprises me and frustrates me with a lot of these videos is you can find other videos about these things that have thousands and thousands, maybe hundreds and thousands of clicks that are of much worse quality, and somebody spent much less time putting it together than I did. And I don't understand why that is. You know, like, I have another example and it's coming up, but I just don't get that. It's frustrating. That had no comments, so there's nothing I can tell you, but the next least popular is another giveaway video. Surprise! Yeah, this is so obvious that I shouldn't be doing this. I gave away, well, maybe I should just give away better prizes. In this video, I was giving away a Royal Caribbean highlighter pen. Woo! This was also 4 years ago. It has 329 views, 4 comments, 14 thumbs up, and 0 thumbs down. The Joker Speaks, I know you're also still out there too, and I always appreciate your comments, writes, someone likes trivia. My wife loves it, but I kicked butt on the movie poster contest. Another one from TK Iroxy 1986 says, your Mickey Mouse shirt is taunting me. Dang you. Those are the only comments on here. Actually, the other ones are just replies from me. All right, the next video is surprise, another giveaway. This video only has 313 views, 3 comments, 10 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down. In this one, I was giving away, well, this is a good prize, a Royal Caribbean backpack. It was a really cute mini backpack that I also won. I don't know, maybe I should try another giveaway because the thing is, like, all my videos get more views than this now. This is also several years ago, like 4 years ago. Like the video that I posted on Friday, that already has way more hits than 313. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it would be worth it trying it again. Yeah, Stuart Twitty writes, I want it. My Stuff writes, go Lars, go. Who gets the hat? I don't understand that because I wasn't giving away a hat, I was giving away a mini backpack. And Pacho Pete writes, Morgan, you're such a nice guy. Well, thank you. I like being nice. Okay, before we move on, it's become the tradition on these Sunday Sofa Times. You guys know what's coming up. I always like to give you a little warning that I'm going to put an ad break right here. Good. Moving on. Oh, I just said gut like a German person. Did you hear that? Gut. Wir machen weiter. The next video is... I can probably understand why this only has 297 views, 1 comment, 6 thumbs up, and it even has a thumbs down. Somebody didn't like this video of the MSC Opera leaving Piraeus on the 24th of October in 2012. So we were on... Oh, by the way, the 1 comment is from me. I am the only comment on this video. But we were on either the Mariner or Navigator of the Seas in Piraeus, and the MSC Opera left beside us, and there was this really amazing sunset. I don't know, you can't really see it on here. And I just made a video of it sailing out. And like I said, this is another thing that, hold on. There, can you kind of see it there? This is the YouTube app, or like the creators app, so I don't know. I think it's an interesting video to watch. It's only like 1 minute 30 seconds long, and you'd have to be a huge fan of cruise ships or of the MSC Opera or of the port of Piraeus or something to really be looking for something like this. But like I said, you can find so many other videos of basically exactly like this on YouTube that have gotten thousands more clicks, and sometimes I just don't get it. All right, moving on. We're almost to the end here. There's actually only 2 more. So the next one coming up is actually something that some of you might really be interested in because it's something that doesn't exist anymore, and that is the test track post-show area walkthrough, and it's from the old test track before they redid it. So this only has 284 views, 4 comments, and 3 thumbs up. But you know what? I might watch this later too, just to see how it was different back then before they put in all the interactive stuff. 2 of the comments are from me again. Well, Dylan Crowell wrote, why are all the doors open? I wrote, sorry, which doors do you mean? He wrote back the car doors, and I wrote back that so you can get inside and see what the cars and trucks are like. Because at the end of Test Track, you can go and check out all these cars from Chevrolet. Okay, moving on, we are now at the least popular video on my channel, and I'm talking about videos that are public. I have like hidden videos, or some of the videos are only posted on my Patreon page. They're like behind the scenes stuff, or things that have been cut, or things that I made just for my Patreons, and some of those have only been seen by like 15 people, so I don't count those. And if you're interested in seeing those videos, then check out patreon.com/veryunofficial. That's where you can give me like a little tip, just a little extra help to keep doing this, and you get extra videos and stuff as a bonus to that. Anyways, this video has 256 views, 0 comments, 5 thumbs up, and it's another one that I just don't get it. I put a lot of work into this. I even made a little green screen of myself, like popping up and popping back to say things. It is the Big Thunder Mountain Roller Coaster Multicam POV for fanboys and girls. This is something I made of Big Thunder Mountain in Paris, which I think is the best version of all of them. And yeah, like I said, I just put together several different angles of this amazing ride, and I put it all together so you really get a good view of what it's like to be on the ride, and when you're on the ride, where's the train when it's going around the mountain and stuff like that. And like I said, when you're done watching this, do a YouTube search for Big Thunder Mountain POV. POV stands for point of view. And you will find literally hundreds of videos that have thousands and thousands of clicks of people who were filming with their telephone like this and going, this is so much fun, that are horrible to watch. They're not fun to watch. And this video is so much better than all of those, and I don't understand why it just never shows up in people's searches. Maybe because it's so old, or maybe because I put the wrong keywords in it. I don't know. But that's how YouTube works. And for these 10 videos, I've got... How many videos do I have altogether? Can I figure that out here? I think I'm getting close to 700 videos online. So I have a lot more videos that have been seen by so many more people, including my most popular video that's been seen by over 500,000 people. So it doesn't make me feel bad. I'm still happy. I still feel like I'm doing the right thing, and I get some really great positive feedback from all of you as well to let me know that you're enjoying it too. So, thank you so much. I hope you like this interesting, sort of different Sunday sofa time. I promise you on Friday of this week, or Friday of, this upcoming week, I will have another travel vlog from someplace around the world, probably Disney, for you. And next Sunday, another Sunday sofa time. My birthday, when you're seeing this, is in 2 days, on Tuesday, the 16th. So if you want to tell me happy birthday, that would make me happy too. Thanks, everybody. See you next week.